Okay, am I going?
Yeah.
Oh, have I been going?
No.
Okay, all right. All right, here we go. Change out disc on the a 14-inch chop saw. These discs are aluminum oxide. We get 14-inch chop saw, and the fact that that's the maximum diameter of the blade. Popular little saw in order to do that. First thing we need to do is make sure it is unplugged. Make sure it's unplugged. Over here, here's where we're going to keep the little wrench. Over here in front of this radial arm saw. It's a small little wrench right here. I lift up this cover and I can rotate this by hand. You can't see it, but there is a knob on the underneath side, right up underneath here, that locks into the arbor. Okay, that keeps the arbor from rotating. Jake, would you hold that, please? All right. Once that's in place, it's the wrench on here counterclockwise. You're going to have a washer. You're going to have a disc on the outside right here. And the disc comes off. Okay. Now there's a lot of information on this disc. Put the glasses on here so I can see. There's some information on the disc. It's aluminum oxide, and you can tell that there's webbing that holds that together. This machine is rated at 3,500 RPM. This disc here is rated at 4,300 RPM. So you need to make sure that the disc is rated at a faster speed than what the machine itself will turn, okay, to make it safe. This does cut about 1/8 of an inch kerf, and it's just simply a grinding stone, aluminum oxide grinding stone. Don't remove the paper because that does help hold it together also. All right, so I showed you how to take that off. Put that thing back on, so everything is just simply reversed. Slips on here like that. This washer has to mount up and match the arbor.
Keep rotating.
There we go. Again, I'll grab the button that will lock that in place and tighten it down. Now this needs to be nice and snug. Don't have to get it super tight, because as the wheel turns, it has a tendency, thank you, it has a tendency to tighten it. A couple other things, I'll put the wrench back. A couple other things that I need to do is, of course, make sure that the work is tight in the stock, or tight in the vise, okay? And as I grind down, just allow a stream of sparks to flow. If I don't want to bog the motor down too much, but I, at the same time, don't want that motor to run without, if I'm producing no sparks, what is happening is I'm just simply filling the pores of the oxide wheel, aluminum oxide wheel. Okay? After that's done, make sure there's no sparks that are going to fly towards any combustibles or towards anyone else. Questions on that? Okay, we're good.